Hey everyone, today we're checking out the GoPro HERO13. I got this kit from Costco and I got it for about $399 including tax and shipping. And it's a great deal because it comes with a few accessories I'll show you in a second. I'm going to struggle with opening the package a little bit just off of the shipping paper it comes with because it's an extremely snug fit. And I finally get it open here. I'm doing a voiceover, by the way, and there's the lovely front of the box. But yeah, I'm doing a voiceover, by the way. It shows you the whole box, front, back, sides. And yeah, I'm looking for the way to open the box on the top, but apparently you don't open it on the top. And I'll notice here in a second, I'll be like, okay, that's a little too annoying. Then I realize there's one of those quick pull tabs at the bottom. Still can't get my finger on it though. It's kind of funny. Yeah. I've actually used this GoPro HERO13 for like 4 or 5 adventures now. I went snorkeling with it in Greece. I went on some little water adventures, and I'm going to use it for paddleboarding when the wind dies down. There you can see that it comes with the case with all the accessories in the inside, which is nicely organized, but it's like a paper organizer, so I removed it. Comes with all the little pamphlets, SD card, warranty information. This kit from Costco is a great deal because it comes with a second battery, a large 128 gigabyte SD card, and a case. It's on sale for $340 until November 3rd as well, so I'll be price matching mine since I got mine less than a month ago as well, too. The GoPro HERO13, it actually records pretty well. The screen on the camera doesn't do it justice, so whenever you sync it over to your computer or phone, the video comes great. There is the little attachment, so you can attach it to, let's say, your car, windshield, anything. Comes with those mounting screws. Comes with the semi-quick mount adapter, like you can use in like the floaty and stuff like that, which I purchased afterwards recording this video. There it comes with the paper all around, protect it for shipping, handling, all that. There's the extra battery, just seeing what's in there, seeing if there's anything inside. It comes with the charging cable, which is very convenient. No brick though, so keep that in mind, but it doesn't charge super fast anyway, so it can use most chargers. There's the first battery out of both of them, also packaged in paper, which is nice. And that's just some organization things, so it doesn't rattle around in shipping. Yeah, so I just wanted to look at the instructions real quick because I've never owned an action camera before. It's pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Like some other people, you'll see me in a moment. I will try to open up the microphone box, and you're not supposed to do that. I have owned a couple of underwater cameras before, like the cheap Nikons or whatever. And yeah, I'm just taking off the paper here. My first time actually even holding a GoPro, funny enough. I didn't realize how small it was. Don't even know what the buttons do. But I wanted it to be a genuine first time unboxing of a GoPro, just to see how like a normal person would do it. And I didn't realize, so that side's the battery side, and that other side on the left of the camera is the microphone side. Obviously, I struggled a little bit with opening it up, and then the paper obviously did not peel off nicely, but I redeemed myself here. It wasn't oddly satisfying, but the recovery was pretty good. Got all the paper off in the next go around. And that's the front camera, or the front screen that you can see like your selfies and all that stuff there, which is convenient. And there's the removable lens. I obviously Googled it in between cuts right there. Learned how to actually open the battery housing. It was just a little bit jammed. And it goes in with the... Oh, there's a pull tab there too. Yep. So it goes in with the Hero facing to the front of the camera as well, so you can put it in. I'm just struggling a little bit because, once again, it's my first time. It clicks in, and make sure the case clicks in so it still stays watertight. And there's where I'm stupidly trying to open up the microphone section, which you're not supposed to do. I obviously researched that again later. And it comes with an SD card in this Costco kit, which I really do enjoy. Nice little slot. You'll see in a second which way I put it in here. I don't really remember because I just leave it in there all the time. And I think the first year of the GoPro subscription is about $25. So I have that so I can get unlimited cloud recording storage, which is convenient. This SD card was also a little bit of a pain to get out too because it has a little clear film over it. And I had to cut it a little bit extra just so I can get it off easier. I've never struggled this much with an SD card, just letting everybody know. See, I couldn't even get the SD card out. But it records nicely. I haven't had any issues. The only thing is with this camera is that the beeps are very loud. There's a little bit of my hair. Woo! All right, so the gold-plated side goes to the front of the camera. I think front. I can't tell with my own silly hands in the way. Oh, the gold goes to the other side where the screen is facing, which is nice and convenient. This is also on the same side that the battery's on too. You need a little tool to even put it in there because my fingers aren't that tiny. Make sure it's all the way flush. That's what my lovely hand signals are. And I even show you how to mildly charge it. So it comes with a USB-C to USB-A adapter, so it charges pretty slow still. I'll be testing this out paddleboarding and snorkeling, so like and subscribe if you'd like to see that and more future videos relating to products being tested. Thank you very much. Have a great day.